My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
Alrighty, fabulous dancer. Today we're playing a game that might be mildly ridiculous. We are going to pull a random card from each part of my layering deck. So I created this deck because I found that when I put together movements for myself for combinations, for my students for practice, I tended to default to the same combinations of movements over and over. So this forces me to get creative and sometimes kind of ridiculous. So let me see what we've got here. I have a deck for hips. I have a deck for torso movements, a deck for footwork, a deck for arms, and because it's me, of course, I have a deck for zills. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull one card from each of these decks and create either like a little movement or a combination. I don't know. We'll create something from it. Yeah? Shall we do this? All right, let's try. All right, I'm going to start with the hip deck. Yeah, start with the hip deck. Do you want to draw a card? Draw a card. We'll say hip circle. Excellent. Okay, well that's pretty simple. For now, I'm going to imagine this as a horizontal hip circle as opposed to like a vertical hip circle or maybe a single-sided hip circle. But it kind of depends on what else we draw. Yeah. So we're starting with hips doing a hip circle. Easy enough. All right, so now we have the torso deck. The torso deck. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. A vertical chest circle. Oh, Lord. Okay, a vertical chest circle while my hips do a hip circle. Oh, right off the bat. Let's see. If I'm doing this and I'm going to do this. So what I always try to do first is put them together at the same time. What if I go the other direction? So I could do that, but I bet this looks terrible. Yeah, does this look really bad? It's not horrible, but it's not something I think I would want to do. So like my next option is like, what if I did one and then the other? It's not really layering that way, but it's prettier. It's more like something I would actually do. But let's see what else we get, and then we'll keep putting it together. All right, arm deck. Arm deck it is. Let's see. Let's do this one. Second position. Not even a moving move. That's really easy, right? I think that's what I did to begin with, right? So second position is here, right? So I'm doing hips and chest, or hips and chest at the same time, which is really hard. So if I do it the other way. Okay, well, we still have two more decks to pull from. Okay, here we go. All right, it's the footwork deck. It's going to get really complicated now, I bet. All right, this is a big deck. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Let's see, footwork. Let's just say here, walk or releve, double time, which is usually double time to the hips. Okay. So I think I'm going to take this as a walk and not a releve. And if I'm thinking double time to the hips, that means for every one hip circle, I'm going to take 2 steps, which I like because I like putting hip circles together that way. It just really works nicely, right? So let's say I'm going to walk. I could walk forward. I could walk sideways. I'll walk sideways for now. So if I'm walking sideways, arms are in second, hips are circling, chest is circling. Okay. This is not something I think I would necessarily put on stage, but it's not terrible. What if I did hips and then chest and then hips and then chest? A little bit easier, looks a little less weird, yeah? But we've got one more deck. Okay, because it's me, I have a Zill deck, of course, yeah? All right, so here we go. Let's pick a card. I'll pick this one. True triplets. True triplets. So not the gallop, but triplets. Okay, let's give this a try. All right, to review, we've got hip circle, vertical chest circle, feet walking, double time, arms in second, and true triplets. So let's see, I'm going to get the feet and the hips going. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be triplet, 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 triplet. I'm going to go the other way. Arms are in second. Now I just got to add the chest. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, I made it work. And then my next step is like, would I actually do that? Do I like the way it looks? It's okay. It's not terrible. Um, but I think what I might be more tempted to do, what if I did, let's see, to the side and then the other way, maybe. Oh, arms in second. Okay, so I modified a little bit. I took my hip circle and I put it out to one side a little bit more. So I accentuated the right. And then I made my vertical chest circle go the other way. So starting from the right to the left. And I did them separately because I think they look a little weird together. I don't know. That's just my personal opinion. I want to change my arms, but I'm not going to because it told me to keep them in second. But otherwise, I would totally change my arms here, at least for the hip circle, and then maybe put them here for the chest circle. Yeah. Can I do that? I'm going to do that. I'm cheating. I'm changing it a little bit, but I'll use second, but I'm going to use this angled position as well and do this. So I promise you, I have never done that before. And that's why I love these layering cards so much. No matter how many times I use them and no matter how many different combinations of cards I draw, I always end up doing something I have never done before, which is a lot of fun. Like it's challenging for me, it increases my creativity, and it's kind of like thoughtless, like brainless. I can just draw them and have fun. If you would like to check them out and play with your own layering card deck and create some crazy combination like I just did, you can find them at the link below. I would love to share those with you. It's an instant download, a $10 PDF. You can print them out on your computer on cardstock, cut them out, and you can create your own ridiculous layering combination today. And if you do create something ridiculous, would you please tag me on social media at Sahira Belly Dances so that I can see what you've come up with? Okay, you're awesome. Thanks for playing with me today, and I will see you on the dance floor very soon.